Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In today's quick video, we're going to be talking about selling coloring books on Amazon. I'm going to show you how you can get some free mazes, and we're going to take a look inside Cute Animals Pack, which is going to be some done for you images that you can use in your coloring books that you can sell on Amazon. So if you're new to the channel and you'd like to learn how to do more to market your message in less time, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And remember, it's not about faster, but it's about focus. And today's focus is coloring books and selling on Amazon. So we're going to start by taking a look at the sales page where it talks about how you can easily dominate the highly profit animal coloring books niche even if you hate graphics and can't draw a single line, because inside of this pack you're going to get access to 30 unique high quality designs. So if you scroll down here, when you look on Google, you can see right here across Amazon that these coloring books are for sale. Even inside of Google they're ranking. This is a highly evergreen niche, and right here are some of the books that you could easily take a look at and figure out what's the most popular and replicate these very popular coloring books on Amazon for sale. And you can do that today by picking up this Cute Animals pack right here. And what you're going to get inside are all these little cute animals. There's 30 of them in black and white line drawing designs. So I'm going to show you inside and show you the actual PNG images, because you're going to get the PNG, the AI, and the SVG images when you pick this up. But before I do that, I want to talk about and show you the free mazes that I'm going to give you to go along with these awesome little cute animal images that you can create a coloring book. So I'm going to give you mazes, 135 mazes, just like the ones you see here on the screen. I got some in black with the solution in gray. I got some here in this orange color. Of course, again, it comes with the solution. Got some here in this pink color. And again, here in the solution, there's 135 of these that I'm going to give you as a bonus when you pick up the Cute Animals pack. Of course, again, that's 135 of these in about, I want to say about 7 or 8 different colors that are done for you. Of course, if you're building coloring books, you'll have all the cute animals right here that I'm going to show you when you purchase, what you're going to get in your download right here. If you purchase the front end, which is the first pack of 30, you're going to get all of these right here, which you can see. You have all these in PNG. Again, you'll get the AI and the SVGs for these, so you can edit them as you need to. And as you can see, these are all very high quality right here in the PNG. So that will be the front end, the first offer for $17. And of course, if you were to pick up the second offer right here, you'll get these images with the backgrounds. Then if you pick up the third offer, you'll get the connect to the dots. There's also some trace images, and then the next offer will be the images fully done in color, which will be great for creating covers for your coloring book that you could sell on Amazon. Or of course, if you pick it up and you get the mazes, you could use those images to create a complete activity book. So right there, this sales page showing you the 30 images that you can get, and of course this will be for sale for $17. Once you pick that up, then you can walk through the funnel. You can pick up the other images and you'll be able to get those right there, cute animal packs. And of course, this is all about making and replicating these popular animal coloring books on Amazon that you can easily do with these images. And of course, you can take it to the next level with these free mazes, and you can create activity books even. So anyway, that's real quick. I just wanted to show you that this is for sale. It's currently $17. Of course, after the launch, the price will be increasing if you want to pick these up later. The bonus will be available even after the price goes up. And that's it. That's what I wanted to show you today and talk about coloring books on Amazon. And of course, make sure you know about this product that is for sale, and of course how you can get those free mazes. Again, this is Gary Baker with 30minutemarketing.net. Go ahead and Like I said, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. There'll be a 30-minute timer here on the screen. There'll also be another video that talks more about how you can make your own activity books, puzzle books, and sell them on Amazon. All right, that's it. Talk to you later. Bye.